Welcome to my channel, Harshita's Passion. Hey guys, it's me Harshita and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I'm here with the part 2 of the video about galaxies. So let's get started. Core. The core of a spiral galaxy typically consists of old red and yellow stars with a supermassive black hole in its center. Andromeda's black hole is as massive as 30 million suns. Dust lanes. Dense clouds and lanes of dust within the galaxy's disk hide stars from view. These are called dust lanes. Dwarf galaxies. M110 or Messier 110 is one of the dwarf elliptical galaxies that orbits Andromeda. It is held in its orbit by Andromeda Galaxy's gravity. More information about Andromeda Galaxy. Andromeda is one of the closest galaxies to our own galaxy, the Milky Way. It is a spiral galaxy about 2.5 million light years away from us. It is the most distant object that can be seen by the naked eye from Earth. More information on dwarf galaxies. The closest known dwarf galaxy to us is the Canis Major Dwarf Galaxy at about 25,000 light years away from the Sun. The next is Sagittarius Dwarf Elliptical Galaxy. It is about 70,000 light years away from the Sun. Now let us know something new, like why do galaxies collide? Many large galaxies can attract a smaller galaxy. The gravity of the large galaxy will pull the smaller one towards itself, creating a collision. This means that the larger galaxy is beginning to change the smaller one and merging this small galaxy into the large one. What happens after the two galaxies collide? As galaxies collide, new stars are formed as gases combine. Both of the galaxies lose their shape and two galaxies create a new supergalaxy that is elliptical in shape. Will our solar system survive after the collision of Andromeda and Milky Way galaxy? So 4 billion years from now of our galaxy, the Milky Way, will collide with our large spiraled neighbor Andromeda. The galaxies as we know them will not survive. In fact, our solar system is going to outlive our galaxy. So friends, this was my today's video. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. If yes, then please give it a thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon for all the new notifications. Till then, take care of yourself and bye bye.